Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to hide likes and any other reactions on Facebook. So let's get started right away. The Facebook mobile app is the quickest way to do this. So let's go ahead and open up our Facebook app, and then let me show you how to do it with other people's posts as well as your own posts, so that nobody can see just how many likes you have on a post. So, tap on these three lines in the upper right corner of the screen and select the gear icon. Then that will take you to your settings and privacy page, and on this page, you'll see a section called Preferences right here, and there's an option called Reaction Preferences. Tap that, and then you'll see two options. The first of which will hide any reactions such as hearts or sad faces on posts that you can see from other users on Facebook, and the second of which will hide those from your posts when you post to your own Facebook profile. If you don't see these options, exit out of the Facebook app and check the Google Play Store or App Store for a new update. To do that, open up your Play Store or App Store and tap on the search bar, then search for Facebook. If it says Open next to Facebook, your app is up to date. If it says Update, you need to update it. I hope you found this helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.